So we have covered jump commands, different kinds. First, explicit, when you jump to a specific address, and then jump relative, jump using a label, like we're doing here. But then we've also used some conditional jumps. Here we only jump when a certain condition is met. So we covered flags. I can cover the various jump commands then and which flags they check. So here we have jump equal, which basically checks a flag if it's set to 1. Jump not equal. See, so same flag, whether this one is 1 or 0. Jump not 0 or jump not equal. A couple of different ways to represent the same command. They're both looking for the same value in the flags. Let's see, jump if greater, jump if not less than or equal to, same thing, but you can call it the same way, so for whatever your preference may be. Jump if less, JL, or jump if not greater than or equal to, jump if the sign flag is equal to the overflow flags here. So jump if greater, it checks to see if these two values are the same, or if this one is different than the other, when you call this jump if less than command. You see, jump not greater than or equal to, right? Let's see, jump if carry, if a carry flag is set, if a carry flag is clear. We'll talk about those a little later, I guess. Jump if overflow, signed overflow. Oh, and these are, by the way, let me back up. These are examples of unsigned. If there's an unsigned overflow, carry flag here. If there's an unsigned overflow, if there's not an unsigned overflow, and then the next one is jump if overflow flag, JO. Those are signed overflows or absence of a signed overflow. Yeah. So that is examples of using conditional jumps and the various flags that they check.